how to see your card number on Wells Fargo application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to see your card number on Wells Fargo application. So to see your card number when Wells Fargo mobile app, you will need to access your digital card number. So first thing, just head over to your any web Play Store or App Store based on the device you are using and make sure to download the application first and simply sign into your account using your username as well as your password. And once you successfully sign into your account, just find and select the card you want to view. As Wells Fargo uses digital card numbers for security, you can view and manage your digital card number within the app, but the physical card number is not directly displayed, so you need to keep that in mind. And you will be able to see or access the digital card number from over there. And for added security, you can add your Wells Fargo card to digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even Samsung Pay, as this replaces your actual card number with a unique digital card number when making purchases. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.